then let's see what we are going to create. The thing that we are going to create here is really great, and we are going to create a system that's going to done a lot of work. And what is end-to-end multi-step for real-world engineering parameters? And let's start. I want you to create a good name for that, so I put in GitHub. Okay, it's good. I'm liking that. So let's create, add a repository, create new repository, description nothing for now. And for the thing that we are going to use the MIT license and create that. What is this project going to do? This project is a project that we are going to create for engineers. If you gave the data to the model is going to predict it using the machine learning process that we are going to add one by one. So let's start. We create our project here. We have the project here end to end. So let's create a new folder and we call it lab. And let's call a new folder. We call it app. Okay, let's go to lab. Let's see if we can commit them and everything is right or not. I can see the changes that we created. So let's open our Jupyter notebook. Let's also open Gemini. Can you create a data for using machine learning model with 200 row and 5 columns? It's good. Let's prepare our data. Let's export it to sheets and see what is creating for us. Let's wait. Okay, let's open the sheet. It's not 500. I want you to create all 200 row, or give me a code that create this data in Python and save it as a CSV for the rows and columns I want. Okay, the Jupyter is running. Nice. Let's go to Jupyter. Let's go to desktop project. And I think here, let's go to lab, new file. Okay, now let's see if it's okay. It's fine, the change. Okay, it's nice. It's working well. So let's renaming, creating data set. Let's test data set. Let me put it here. Now let's run it. Okay, let's go to the app. I think we created in the lab, not in the app. Let's take a look at the data set. Okay, the data set is right, and we have it. So the rows and let's say it used the rows. Yes, it used the rows. I want to make it 300 and see what is going to happen. Let's open it and see if it's going to be 300. Okay, it's right. Now I'm going to create a little change on that code. Let's go there. I'm going to set int input how many rows did you need? Do you need? Okay, it's good. Now we have everything, but the problem is that it's only creating 5 columns. So let's go over that. We can save it. Now run it. It's get the columns. For example, let's go with 300 and the thing is created. Okay, we have it. Now I'm save it and close it, and I'm going to I'm going to duplicate that, I think. No, I'm going to just cut that. Let's see, I copy that, where I am. Copy that and put it in there. Here, a new folder and name it. Let me just copy that. A new folder, data creating. Let's put it here. Okay, now we have the data creating. We need to create the app. Let's go to the lab. We have the creating data. Now we need to it's nice. Now let's go to lab, and here I'm going to create a new Python file, and I'm going to now create a code that read the data from this CSV and do linear regression for that. Okay, let's copy that, run it. You see, everything is right. Now I'm going to, in the continuous lesson, create an app that do this thing. But the important thing about that, it's going to do that work with just one difference. What is one difference? You gave it choose the name of the model, the type of inputs you want, the 4 inputs, 5 inputs, and the outputs, and it gives you the result like that. Okay, I hope you like this project. This is the start. I see you in the next videos.